In today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on InterContinental Resort at Hayman Island. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna catch a boat, which is super expensive, like $420 per person for a road trip. And we're gonna go to the reception first. So it is quite easy. Just get off the plane, then come out from the just that door. So the InterContinental boat reception is just right here. So actually, without any check-in luggages, we don't have to wait at the reception area. We don't have to get those tickets. We can just walk to the boat. That white one is our boat. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Would you like a drink? Do you have some sparkling wine or just water?
I'll do this one seat. I'll sit at this little corner. Just a little bit of privacy, which is great. He has got himself a sparkling wine and we just order. The staff just came to check us in, so we've been notified this is gonna take about 60 minutes to the resort, and we are still waiting for the last passenger to arrive. We've been waiting for about 30 minutes already. Hello people, after 1 hour's boat, we finally arrived at the Hayman Island. I'm super excited because this is the first time ever after we have been upgraded to diamond status. We stayed with the InterContinental. So also plus the InterContinental ambassador status. I'm very looking forward to today's stay. Actually, we've already known that our room has been upgraded to a suite. So yeah.
Good afternoon, please welcome to Hayman Island, everyone. Warm welcome. Hope everyone enjoyed their boat journey across. So yeah, you've just come into the main marina of Hayman Island. It is a private marina, so only our vessels come in, or any private vessels that like big yachts or anything like that usually. This is the resort around the corner here. You can see at the moment in the bay the tide is a little bit low at this stage. It was a little higher this morning. Our tide here usually drops below a meter most days, and will come back up to about 2 to 3 meters as well when it comes back in. Yeah, so we have 2 pool areas. Our main pool is at the pool wing, which we'll be going past just on our right hand side here. It is the Hayman pool, which is our iconic one there. Takes up about 2.2 acres of land and holds about 6.5 million litres of water. That is salt water to be exact as well. So it is quite a fairly large pool, which is just down this side of the resort. You can just see the entrance to it there. And it also features the aqua bar, which is in the centre of the pool area. Obviously not here to do laps of the pool, so there are some nice meals. It's about a 500-meter pool from end to end. So definitely can give it a shot if you're definitely keen. I'm sure there'll be some nice cocktails waiting for you as well. On your right hand side and on the left for the back there, we've got our retail section. That's where the Hayman Spa is. So if you want to book in for any treatments or any massages there, you do have it. We have our tennis and squash courts here as well on our left hand side, with equipment ready to use at any time. I will be dropping you off at formal guidance here. Just got some meet and greets waiting for you. They'll take you throughout the resort. But first of all, you just need to see Mariah here to check your name off for your reservations.
Thank you. Hello. Just wait.
My colleague David. David will show you through today. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. It's the same. Beautiful. You're with my colleague Nikki.
Nikki will be showing you.
Hey guys, we've already had our lunch at the restaurant, so now let's look at evacuation times. Our room is right here, and our room has been upgraded to a suite. So as you can notice, there are actually only 4 suites on this side. Now let's start the room tour. We can see this control panel is very modern. It's all like touch screen, which is great. It is amazing. So this is the living area. So on this table, we've got a handwritten note and some departure information. Our welcome drink is a red wine Shiraz. Lovely. On this side, we've got an iPad here. So and we've got, what is this one though? Smell one free. Oh, this is a hand sanitizer. And those 2 are complimentary. A water bottle, which is so good. I love those. And this is the minibar menu. On the left side, we got the espresso machine, coffee capsules, and some complimentary drinks here. So this is the mini fridge, full cream milk inside it and some drinks inside it as well. We got a tray here and a can bottle opener, some plates. And the last one, we've got some glasses and kettles inside it. Then here's the lounge area. We've got some sofas, a coffee table, and a TV in the corner. And that is the balcony. Yeah, I'm happy to show you guys the balcony now. Yeah, of course we can see there's a table and 2 chairs here. And down there, it's an amazing view. Wow, it is really beautiful. The water just comes from the sea straight away, so it's basically like sea water. Even though I don't know how to swim, but I really want to like jump into the water. It's so beautiful outside. Okay, let's start. Let's continue our room tour. And on this side, we got our king size bed, which is lovely, and with the couch here. And we also got another TV in the corner. And this is a lovely bag, tote bag, which is my favorite. Amazing. And let me check on this side. I can tell the control panel is quite handy. So basically we can adjust the light right here and turn off the light and open curtain and close curtain here. Also, there are some like USB charging sockets and charging outlets right there. Lovely. So outside the bedroom, we have got this lovely large couch sofa. What do you call this one? I'm not sure, but basically we can just lie down here and enjoy this view. Wow, I call it a luxury experience. Then it's time to look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is very lovely as well. So we can have this is most a makeup station. So very lovely, a mirror and a bench here, which is great. Hand wash and hand lotion, and a lot of like dental kit, comb, shower caps here, which is great, and some like towels down there. And we got another one just over there. So same setting, but we got another weight scale here. Right. Wow, I really love this mirror. It's so huge. Hi. And it has the bathtub. It's very deep. Just let me show you. If you just look into that mirror, it's almost like half of my arms. So great. And I got some like bathing salt here. Right. And let's walk inside it. So on the left side is the closet. So this closet we got an umbrella, a pillow off the top, and a bathrobe here. Then on the other side, a closet and a bathrobe here as well. Then I love this, a ladder and with some towels over there. Then on the left side, let me have a guess. I'm gonna guess on my left side is the toilet, and on the right side is the separate the shower room. Let's check out the answer. Haha. Yeah, I'm always wrong. So this is the shower room. We got some body lotion, body wash, and hair shampoo and hair conditioner, a shower head over the top. Then the right side must be the toilet. Yes, it is. Yeah, great. Wow, this is just amazing. This suite is about 77 square meter. It is really big. I love it. God, they have reformer Pilates here. The reformer bed, which is so good. I'm gonna have a quick summary on my feelings for staying with InterContinental Hayman Island. I will start from the positive side. So it is an private island, and it's so pretty, and everything is so luxury. The room is just beautiful and very spacious as well. And just coming to this island, just having a very luxury experience, like from check-in to check-out, everything is so good. And the staff is quite friendly, professional. Yeah, it was a very, very nice experience and a very beautiful hotel, I would say. So talking about lowlights, there are limited options of transportation to come into this island. You could either take the boat or have a private helicopter to this island, and both of them are very expensive. So the boat is like relatively cheaper, but still $420 per person for the round trip. And the schedule is not very good as well. For example, for today flight is around 1:30, but we have to check out at 9:45. The boat will leave at 9:50, and the next one is 12:50, which is like too late for us. It's very thoughtful for them to arrange like people who speak Mandarin for us. But I think it's a bit weird because we didn't put our nationality. Even from our family name, probably they can tell we can speak Chinese. But I think it would be better like if they ask us like which language we prefer to use, then they arrange the stuff like accordingly, instead of like they just arrange a Mandarin speaking people to us, which is very thoughtful. But yeah, as I said, I just prefer they ask first, and that would be great. Now I will talk about the membership benefits. As an IHG Diamond and InterContinental Ambassador, our room has been upgraded to a suite, which is lovely. Early check-in and late check-out is not applied for this time. We do have received our welcome drink and 2 complimentary breakfast buffet, which is lovely as well. Yeah, that's pretty much about this hotel, and to be honest, it's really expensive. I do hope I can come back if I do have availability. Yeah, it was a lovely experience, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already.